So, hi guys, today we gonna play Murder Mystery 2 and I have here some hacks called Delta Exploiter. So here, this script is called Lumen Hub. So, we got here select target, kill aura, auto kill all, auto pick up gun, auto shoot murderer, fling, and don't forget player ESP. So, I think the round is starting now. I think we can get into 10 rounds and we end this video for now because this is my first video. Okay? Or I think 5 rounds because 10 rounds is little bit long. Okay. Okay. Round is starting. Ooh, I'm the murderer. Let's go. So there is called a auto kill all. When I'm a murderer, I will kill everyone in just seconds. Look, let's go. Victory. Okay, I got victory. That is my first win. Okay. So I'm gonna screenshot it. Okay. Murderer has won. Let's go. GG's. Skill issue. Okay. Players are starting to get mad now. Okay. Sorry. You're useless without hacks. I just know it. Okay, man. My audio is off by the way, so it cannot go to the background. Wait, why is my level like this one? I think I'm just gonna reset. I'm not gonna reset yet because the game is starting. Okay. So, I'm gonna just get coins and I will fling the murderer after it. Okay, I will just get coins. I think the murderer is over there. Okay. She's the sheriff. Okay, please don't shoot me. I'm not the murderer because if I'm the murderer. Okay. Sorry, the murderer. Okay, siya yung murderer. Okay. I speak Tagalog pala. Sorry. Okay. Doon yung murderer, guys. Si Rip Steven. Collect lang natin yung coins. Hey, what? Bro, he's a hacker. I didn't even see him. Let's fling him now. Rip. Oh, okay, he's a hacker as well. Okay. At least when I'm a murderer, I auto kill all. Okay. Bro is a hacker as well. Battle Axe 2018. Okay. Again, bruh. I'm about to fling him now, but he killed me. For that his hacks. Okay. You both should be siblings. Okay, we're not siblings. Okay, I don't have a sibling, okay? I don't have a sibling. Stop abusing or I'll report you, okay? Okay. But now I'm gonna fling the murderer. I'm angry about him. I don't know if he's gonna hack. Okay. Serie A. Okay. Fling her or him. Okay. What? Oh yeah. Okay, I fling her or him. Serie. Oh, it's a girl. Okay. It's a girl's name. Okay. I'm just gonna turn on the volume little bit so you can guys heard. Yeah. Okay. I think that is okay. Hey, you're getting all the coins. use scripter. Well, I'm a scripter as well, so that doesn't mean it's just okay, man. I think it's round 3. How many minutes is it? 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. So it's round 3. I think I'm gonna end it in round 5. Okay, bro, just reset, okay? Just reset and it will get, and I will not hack anymore. Bro, just reset, okay? Just reset. Bro doesn't want to reset, okay? I think this is gonna take too long, so I'm gonna cut the video. So it's the next round, and I know she's the murderer, okay? So I just cut too little bit so it will not take too long, because if it's too okay. Revenge time, Raffalo man, Raffalonzo. Get fling, boy. Get fling. So I'm gonna post this video at YouTube and TikTok. My TikTok name is Man2D, or you can search Man2D6767, and in YouTube just search Man2D. That's my official name in YouTube. I'm gonna post it on 2 platforms. Okay, last round and I'm gonna end it. Some player just left because I'm a scripter, of course. And please make me the murderer. Okay, how many minutes? 7 minutes. 7 minutes to this video, okay? Okay, there's a secret room there, I know it, and probably everyone just knew it now. So I'm not gonna fling the murderer, just for now, because they will think it's sus, okay? So let's get the murderer, kill some players. If the murderer killed the sheriff, give me the gun and boom. Okay. Oh. The sheriff just shoot the murderer, okay? So I think that's it. I'm gonna continue playing this game, and this is just my first video, and bye guys.